Hello guys, welcome to JuniorFXR. This is another C# tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be building a fully functioning banking system. I've already developed this system in Microsoft Access, and in our next tutorials, we're going to develop this same system in C#. So let's take a quick run through in the project so far. So over here, you can create new customers and assign commissions and everything that needs to be attached to the customer. So you can click go home, then you apply for loan repayment, then transactions, where you enter transactions. Over here you can search and you can show all the transactions you've entered so far, and if you click withdrawals, you can do withdrawals over here as well. And in fact, there is a special page for the withdrawals where you can do it the same function as the one in transaction mode, and you can see the various reports for mobilizers and for customers. You can print the report as well. And loan repayment, you can check for report for loan repayment, and in fact it's a lot. You can check for commissions, and over here you have to type a password. But we are going to have another functionality or another logic for this one. And over here you can create, and in fact in C# you are going to add a lot of functionalities, but this is the core functionality of the system itself. But we're going to add new features to the system in C#, and you're going to create. They're going to ask you, are you sure you want to create? And if you click yes, you're going to create the application. So this is what we are going to develop in C#. So over here we have already developed our login system, and we're going to be working from there. I've made some small changes in the system so far. Over here I've removed the password section of the password fields, and I've replaced it with a combo box. And the combo box, what it does is, when you're about to create a new user, right now we don't want to give access to users to create their own account. The accounts are going to be created by the admin. So the admin will have the opportunity to select the user type, whether the person is an so let's go through. Okay, so we have admin, manager, teller, sales executive, credit executive. So admin will have the advantage of doing that. And in fact, we've removed password because we want to dynamically create passwords for the users. So the user will receive the password as a message that this is your new account, and the user will have to log in with the password and the email address that was used to create the account. So over here, when we go to the sign-in page, this is what we have. Right now the user doesn't have any access to the account creation page, which means that the user can create account on his own. So that's what it means. So that is it for now. So if we run the application, this is what we're going to have. Alright, so this is it. This is our application so far, and this is it here. For now the user can create or update the password. In case he or she has forgotten the password, the user can change the password. But for now we've not done that. So if you click forgot password, you're going to come here, and the user doesn't have access to this place. The user doesn't have access to this place. But as at now, we've made it this way in order to link this account creation page. So later on, the user, after clicking on the forgot password, the user will be redirected to a page or a screen where he can change his password. So that is it, and let's go through the code and see some changes that I've made there as well. So over here in our constructor, I've removed the border from that combo box. So this is it. And over here in the sign up endpoint, I've removed the password for this, and I've replaced it with combo box, the combo box. So it's not much of changes. Here's some simple changes that I've made so far. Later on, I'll work on the implementations behind, or the coding aspect of that combo box, behind that combo box. So see you in the next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.